On a side note, though, the cleaner that I use on wheels kills the hell out of your yard. Hey, welcome back to another episode of Cheapskate Garage. And if you or your wife is anything like mine, they drive it like they stole it even though it's paid for. And with that comes some heavy caked on brake dust on your wheels. And I'm going to show you how to clean them. First thing you need is a suitable bucket like this Reese's potato salad. Good stuff there. A handful of triple aught or quadruple aught steel wool. Some of this LPS or Gojo hand cleaner. The first thing you do is you hit it back down with a little bit of brake parts cleaner. Now the reason why I hit it with the brake clean first is because it's all brake dust that's built up on the outside of the rims, and brake clean is meant to get rid of that stuff. So after some light scrubbing and hitting it with some brake clean, this is what the wheel looks like. Still got lots of gunk down in there. And this is how I mix up my LPS and go to work with my stainless steel wool. So take a little LPS, pour it in the bucket like this. Then you want to take your garden hose, add a little bit of water to it. So now you got a consistency that looks like that. Take your wheel, get a little bit wet. And then you start mix this all up nice and good. And then you start scrubbing. You can see it comes right off. Look at that, it's coming right off. Now it's not to say that it doesn't take some work scrubbing, because it will. It just hit everywhere where you can see the dirt and the grease, and pretty soon it'll come clean. And just like that, we're making a world of difference. That's how it used to look, and that's how it looks now. Minimum effort. And this being my wife's car, I'm gonna call that good enough. She can finish the rest. And just like that, you had a legitimate excuse to get out of doing laundry, get out of doing other things, probably got some dinner cooked for yourself. So hey, thanks for watching.